an engineer, but I would take pictures. I would take blueprints, like you have a house, a blueprint of a house, and I would take those blueprints and I would make three-dimensional drawings out of them. Or two-dimensional, they're not really three-dimensional. But this was one of the office buildings, and we had display cases that had all of the modules in there. And you'll see something similar to that if you go to Cape Canaveral to the Kennedy Space Center. Yes, honey?
She likes your drawing.
Like your drawing. She
Oh.
loves your drawing.
And that's another one, and that's the Mercury capsule, and it was used as a, it was just like you'd have a vase of flowers or something. It's in the Space Center, and I don't know if there's anything in in DC or not, but there's a lot of the items there. And can you tell me what to do on this?
Well, nothing. You can come over here and talk about this.
Oh, this is another building that actually never got built. It was called the Parachute and Paraglider Building. When they were still trying to figure out a way to land the astronauts, to see, they tried to get them back on land, but they had to let them in the ocean and pick them up by ship, because that was the least dangerous. But they had a parachute and paraglider building that they experimented with. It was never built, but I had to do a picture of it.
Why?
So that was one of my illustrations.
Why would you have to go?
Well, it just wasn't practical. They tried it and they felt somebody came up with a better idea about landing in the ocean. Everybody had great ideas, and you just had to figure out which ones would work. It's the same way with y'all.
And then the water.
You have ideas that you think, oh man, that would be great if I could make it work. Unfortunately, we can't do magic. So some of these things have to take magic. It just can't be built to work and function like it should. Yes? Mm-hmm. I did. In fact, it was kind of fun because this was my little car. I had a little MG, and this belonged to Jack Shields. He was another draftsman that I worked with. So I drew everybody's car on there just for fun.
Can you
So,
put your car up again?
Which car
to your
was
car.
yours?
Which your engine?
A little red one on the down.
this little red one,
All the way down.
it was a little MG convertible.